Integration of the economies of the two regions dominated the deliberation of the South-East South-South Professional Stakeholders Meeting held in Enugu. This, according to Chairman of the Organizing Committee for the proposed Economic Summit and the President Ijaw Professional Denze Ketebel, is to end decades of mutual suspicion and enhance the development of the regions and their people. He said the proposed 10 years plan and in the summit will identify things when executed will be of benefit to the two regions.
The Organizing Committee is saddled with the task of preparing a 10-year project-focused economic development plan. I have the goal of identifying all the stakeholders. This is not an action plan that is all talk. What we intend to focus on is the implementation of all the things that have been prior to this time discussed, all the things that will be discussed, but our goal is really to make sure that these things happen.
On his part, the president of the South-East South-South Professionals, Emeka Ugwoju, said time is right for the regions which share the same geographical affiliation to reposition for its development. He insisted that each state in the 11 states that makes up the two regions has areas they have comparative advantage over others.
Picture, because the Development Forum agenda of minimum 10 years is to have that big picture that is doable, not picture that you hang on the wall, but picture that has tangibles. These are are we going to have 2 medical centers of excellence in the 2 zones, or do we have 1? Then when is it going to happen? Who does what? Are we going to have...
Other professionals that contributed in the fora included Dr. Austin Weze and Dr. Oke Ikechukwu, who said the group played more of an advisory role for good governance and not confrontational with the elected officials.
The government to make policies that are people-oriented, policies that will bring out the best in the people to participate both in the economic activities in their various places. Government that to create an enabling environment so that the basic things that people need.
Sectoral leadership comes from those who are competent in the various sectors, isn't it? So what this is about actually is a form of regional integration being spearheaded by people who understand what sectors of every economy can drive employment, growth, development.
South-East South-South Professionals of Nigeria, a group of professionals dedicated to the promotion and sustenance of good governance, is believed to have the major objective of partnering with other relevant stakeholders to achieve a better development of the two geopolitical zones. Honora Aningobodo, STV News.